There are many observations and suggestions given by political parties. Suggestion of all political parties was to hold elections in a free and fair manner, and the commission should ensure level playing field. In the state, examinations are to be held in March. There is a carnival in February, and therefore they have suggested that commission should take these inputs into account when finalizing the schedule of the election commission, and also suggested that the polling day should preferably be a working day so that more and more people are available for voting. They have also raised the issue that only Indian passport holders, Indian citizens and passport holders should be allowed to be registered in the electoral roll. They have also raised the complaint about an important scheme of the government called ODP, Outlying Development Plans, and they have complained to the commission that this scheme is being cleared without following statutory processes, consultation of stakeholders, and they have requested that on the eve of election this plan should not be finalized. And commission has also assured all political parties that the commission will ensure under all conditions that the election is free and fair. 46,700 new voters have been added, and 15,200 applications have been received for deletion of names from the voter list. The date for summary revision has been extended by the commission up to 24th December. The total number of voters as on today in the state is 11,07,431 first time voters. Out of 39,000 total first time voters, more than 30,000 are on our roll. State election machinery has done is the first time enrollment of a tribal people called Vanarmare. Some 40 persons have been registered and they will be able to cast their vote for the first time. We have asked Director General of Police to prepare police station wise data of non-bailable warrants, arms licenses, list of antisocial elements, past election related offences, and monitor them on day-to-day basis. Therefore, the commission has directed that all polling stations will be covered by webcasting process and CCTV. This time a system has been devised where every citizen will have an opportunity to upload his or her complaint, and that complaint will be registered, will be tracked, and the disposal will be done in a time bound manner. The name of this IT platform will be Samadhan, redressal. The most important aspect for Goa elections will be prevention of abuse of money and prevention of abuse of liquor by political parties, candidates, their workers to influence our voters. Multidisciplinary task force will be working at the district level, state level and constituency level. In Goa, large number of merchandise like pressure cookers and other commodities like bikes, like motorcycles, like bicycles will also be distributed, and therefore commercial tax department and income tax department is also being roped in, and there would be meetings with the traders associations that in case any person is making bulk orders for these commodities during election period, there would be surveillance and they would be subjected to questioning also. The complaints with regard to ODP as well as with regard to casinos has been highlighted by political parties. They have given us written representations. We have also mentioned to you that we held meeting with the Chief Secretary and we have conveyed our concern, in fact serious concern about the likely misuse of casinos and likely undue haste in finalizing the scheme without clearing the statutory provisions. Chief Secretary has taken note of it